Imagine this, an ordinary rock the size of a beach ball, just 1 meter in diameter. But it's not moving at an ordinary speed. It's traveling at the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per second. What would happen when it crashes into Earth? Today, we're breaking down the craziest scenario in the history of space. Welcome to Space Moment. In reality, this is impossible. According to Einstein's special theory of relativity, nothing with mass can accelerate to the speed of light. It would require infinite energy. But let's imagine a hypothetical scenario. What if a small 1-meter meteor somehow approached the speed of light? We're about to see why even such a tiny rock could trigger a true apocalypse. First, the physics. At ordinary speeds, kinetic energy is calculated as 1/2 mc squared. But when an object approaches the speed of light, the relativistic formula comes into play. Mass effectively increases, time slows down, and length contracts in the direction of motion. Our 1-meter rock, with a mass of about 1.5 tons, traveling at 99.999% of the speed of light, would carry energy billions of times greater than the entire nuclear arsenal of Earth. This is no longer just a fast rock, it's a cosmic bomb with energy comparable to the impact of an asteroid tens of kilometers wide. What would happen at impact? First, the atmosphere. At such speed, the rock wouldn't even have time to noticeably slow down. It would turn into plasma in a fraction of a second, but all its monstrous energy would be released at a single point. If it hit the ocean, millions of tons of water would instantly evaporate. A steam explosion with billions of megatons of power would form. Tsunamis kilometers high would crash into all nearby continents. If it hit land, a crater 20 to 50 kilometers in diameter and several kilometers deep, everything within hundreds of kilometers would instantly vaporize. The shockwave would circle the planet multiple times, triggering magnitude 10+ earthquakes. Dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere would block the sun for months or even years. Globally, surface temperatures would spike by thousands of degrees in the impact zone. Worldwide fires could ignite. The ozone layer would be destroyed. Billions of tons of rock would turn into plasma and scatter into space. Earth wouldn't break apart, but civilization would almost certainly come to an end. To understand the scale, the Chelyabinsk meteor, 17 meters wide, only 0.5 megatons, this 1-meter object at the speed of light, billions of times more powerful. It's closer to a scenario where Earth is struck with a force comparable to the one that killed the dinosaurs, but thousands of times faster and more concentrated. One tiny rock, and the planet is changed forever. Fortunately, in reality, such speeds are impossible for material objects. But this is a perfect example of why space is a place where even the smallest things can become the most dangerous. What do you think? Which terrifying space scenario should we break down next? Write your ideas in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe to Space Moment, and turn on the notification bell. Every week, a new epic moment of the universe. Thank you for being with me. We keep flying forward.